What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. Otherwise, you could share or comment right down below. It helps our content reach a wider audience and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, we have a special fintech review. Now, I talked about this back in 2020 that in 2021, we're going to see an explosion of fintechs. So right now, we're currently undergoing a fintech takeover. We're seeing it in the crypto space, it's happening in the business lending space, and it's also happening in the personal credit and finance space. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing a brand new fintech called Benjamin Finance. Now, Benjamin Finance is issuing their own credit card called the Benjamin MasterCard. Now, this particular credit card is very unique. Now, one of the biggest highlights is that there's absolutely no hard credit checks. So I'm assuming that they're going to be using the Plaid API in order to approve you for a credit limit. And the credit limits go as high as $25,000. Now, I would categorize this particular card as a blend between X1 and the Tomo card. And I'm going to get into the details in just a second. So what makes the Benjamin MasterCard really unique is that you can build your own MasterCard. So they give you the option of several different types of credit cards. So you could choose whether you want a rose gold, a platinum, a copper, aluminum. So these are all going to be metal credit cards, which is very cool. They also allow you to select your rewards category. So you can pick which categories that you want and the associated cash back for those particular categories. Last but not least, they allow you to select your repayment schedule. So it kind of works similar to Tomo, where you can either pay off your credit card every month, so pay off in full every month, bi-weekly or weekly. And I'm gonna get into all the details. Let's go jump over to their website real quick and I'll walk you through their credit card. All right, so here we are on Benjamin.finance. Now, again, this is the latest fintech company that offers a credit card. Right now, there is a wait list. Now, in order to reserve your spot, you just select this join the wait list, and you do have to enter your first name, last name, and email, and then you just check the box and then hit join the wait list. Now, I did join the wait list, and when I joined, the wait list was around like 16,000 or so. So just keep that in mind. There is a wait list for this card, so it's not available as of yet, and there's no timeline as to when it actually will be available. One of the big components is being able to select your own metal that matches your style. So they give you 6 different options, right? They give you a silver, gold, copper, platinum, rose gold, as well as an aluminum. Now, the platinum is going to weigh the most at about 1.1 ounces, followed by gold at 0.9 ounces. You also have gold at 0.8 ounces, silver at 0.7, copper at 0.6, and aluminum at 0.4. So this is a pretty cool option to have. You can choose the style of the card, and all of the cards are some type of metal. So I think that's a great perk. Another great perk is the ability to select your own rewards category. So they have 3 different categories. They have a World MasterCard, and then they have 2 different categories of a MasterCard World Elite that have different points. And as you can see down here, there's different annual fees. So if you just select the normal World MasterCard, there's no annual fee. Then if you select the MasterCard World Elite, there is a $149 annual fee. And then they have another version of the World Elite where the rewards are a little bit higher and the annual fee is $249. So that's something to keep in mind. Let's check out some of the categories. So you have dining, subscriptions, gyms, insurance, travel, and everything else. So with the highest World Elite MasterCard, you have a 4x dining, 4x prescriptions, 3x on gyms, 3x on insurance, 3x on travel, and 1x on all others. So I mean, I think if you just get the normal World MasterCard, it's not too great in terms of the rewards, 2x on dining and subscriptions. And then the 4x, there's not as many 4x dining, but if you can get a 4x dining with no annual fee, I think that just provides much more value. Anyways, these are just the rewards categories that you can choose from. So if you don't want an annual fee, then you can just go with the normal World MasterCard. Another great benefit is the flexible billing. So you can choose your billing cycle. So they offer 3 3 different billing cycles. This is very similar to Tomo, right? You have once a week, you have bi-weekly, and you have monthly. Now you can see the APR is going to vary based on the type of billing. So the longer the billing cycle, the higher the APR, just because the more risk associated. If you're paying your bill off every week, then it's going to be less risk, therefore, less APR that they actually have to charge. So they give you these 3 different options. So that's another perk when it comes to the Benjamin MasterCard. Another great benefit is that there's no hard credit pull, as it's highlighted right here. No hard credit pull for eligibility. Limits up to 25,000 and behaviorally intelligent. So this is definitely a promising fintech credit card. All right, so let's recap real quick. So Benjamin Finance is one of the latest fintech companies that offers a personal credit card. There's absolutely no hard credit check, and the limits go as high as $25,000. Now, currently there is a wait list, so you do have to join the wait list. There's no timeline exactly on when you'll be able to actually receive the card, but in order to qualify, you do have to get on the wait list. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely go check it out. Now, what makes this unique is that they allow you to choose different components of the credit card. So you could choose from the type of metal, whether that's aluminum, silver, copper, rose gold, platinum, or gold. They also allow you to choose your rewards category, and you could also select your billing cycle. So whether you want a 7-day billing cycle, bi-weekly, or monthly. So that's kind of why I said it's similar to Tomo, because you could choose your billing cycle. So it's very similar and set up the same way. But then X1, with the fact that it actually is a metal credit card. Now, the X1 credit card hasn't actually dropped yet, so there's no telling whether or not this one is going to drop anytime soon, but there currently is a wait list. Now, that's all the information that we have so far. If anyone has any additional details about the Benjamin MasterCard, definitely let us know, and let us know what your opinions are. Is this a credit card that you think you might sign up for? That's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.